Cosmic Gardens. This is Joe. Well, I guess it's springtime, summertime. This is my transplanting area right here. And I have it underneath a canopy, which provides a lot of good shade. I really like doing that. Okay, we're now in the big greenhouse, and there are two of my trays, lettuce on the right and dahlias on the left. And I'll just pan up a little bit, and you can see the extent of the greenhouse. This is on the right side. As I walk down, you'll see eggplant on the bottom on the floor there. I'll continue going. Cucumbers. A lot of cucumbers in there. Another couple of seed trays. We got some bok choy on the right side, the big ones. On the left side, we got some cucamelons. And a little further down, that tray, I'm trying to grow some Japanese red maples. Okay, this is the center part of the greenhouse. I got some long English cucumbers on this whole section. They're pretty big right now. Let me come back. Let me zoom into one of these over here. There you go. There's a couple right there.